my name is Sophie. I'm a science communicator at Otago Museum. Today I'm going to show you how to find a really fascinating blue-white star called Rigel. Rigel is very bright. That makes it easy for first-time stargazers to spot from your backyard. In fact, it is the 8th brightest star in the entire sky, or 7th brightest if you exclude the sun. Right now we're looking at the sky in Dunedin at about 8:30 p.m. tonight. If we look towards the northwest, over towards Swampy Summit, we'll be able to spot these 3 stars in a row here. They are what we call Orions Belt, and Rigel can be found just up and to the left of these stars. It marks the foot of the huntsman Orion. Rigel is 860 light years away from us, which means that when you look up at Rigel, you are seeing the light that began its journey to your eye in the year 1160, well before the first humans arrived in Aotearoa. Here in Te Waipunamu, Kaitahu stargazers had a different name for Rigel. They called the star Puaka, and they used its appearance in the dawn sky in winter to mark the start of the Māori New Year, just like Matariki. If we have clear skies tonight, pop out into your backyard and see if you can find Rigel in the sky. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for the next video on things to look for in the Dunedin night sky.